The dumb nerd should have checked the radar. There was a thunderstorm right over his house, headed right for him.
Well, again, I'm very happy to report it's going well. A little bit of lightning, that never bothers me. I usually just stay outside, but I thought, well, just in case I pissed off the gods, I better go inside. It's best not to screw with Mother Nature. As you can see, the rain is falling on the flowers, and they're all very happy. My thyme, my spearmint, Cooper's catnip. There's my mint. There's my basil. There's the cilantro. It doesn't look too happy. I don't know if it's gonna make it or not. There's some more basil and curled parsley. My peppers seem to be doing very well. As do my lavender and the two flowers I planted, my vincas and marigolds. Keep them next to tomatoes. Maybe keep the bugs off my tomatoes. So all in all, the garden is happy. I'm happy. And I didn't get struck by lightning or blown away like pets. Oh, and that stupid greenhouse is fine. You missed me. I think I better come back in the house. Jeez. Where was I? Oh, yeah. I think I'll stay inside where it's safe. So for now, the nerd once again saying, see you later, alligator.